everyone, my name is Kiarah Romarate, BSHM 1B, and for this video, I am going to show you about the bed making process. First things first, we have to prepare our garments and put it on the side or near the bed so it's easy for you to reach them. Make sure that you have space in each side of the bed when changing garments so that you can move properly. First to put on is the mattress, but since we don't have the mattress, I proceed on putting the bed sheet. Fold and hide the excess cloth and don't forget to massage the top of the bed to make it smooth and flat and not crumpled. Then next I put the duvet. Duvet is a cotton thick blanket used to cover and give you comfort. Lastly, dress your pillows with your pillowcase and arrange them accordingly.